Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the air filter in this LG built-in air conditioner, unplug the unit's power cord. Remove the inlet cover by detaching it from the top first. You can now pull the old air filter up and out. To install the new air filter, position the bottom edge first, then snap the top of the filter into place. Align the inlet cover hinge tabs with the slots in the grill assembly, then snap the top portion of the cover into position. Plug the power cord back in, and the air conditioner should be ready for use.